And we're back to learning Photoshop, second day of my playlist. This time I'm going to show you how to adjust the layout. In general, we have our canvas in center where we can paint, put things, and then actually see it. On the left we have our toolbox. I can, for example, click here on this rectangle tool, and then I can left click drag on my canvas and we can see the rectangle. On the top left there's the move tool, and here on the bottom right you can see the layers menu. So whatever you draw in Photoshop, it usually gets its own layer. So if I add, for example, an ellipse here, I right click on the rectangle toolbox, activate the ellipse tool, left click drag on my canvas. You can see we have a background, a rectangle and an ellipse layer. We can make them invisible by clicking on this eye icon. And as I've said, this is the layers menu. Above it we have the properties menu, and these are the properties for each specific element on that layer. So in this case the circle, I can move that around like so. But if I want to move around the rectangle, I'll select the rectangle layer and then I can move that around and adjust its properties above. If your layout looks different, just go to Window, Workspace, and here you can see I use the default Essentials layout. Maybe yours is a different one. If you want to follow my tutorials in this playlist step by step, make sure to go to Workspace and use the Essentials default, because this is what we're going to use for the most part. But you can also create your own manual layouts. For example, left click drag on these menus, get them out of here and then even bring them back, rearrange them. So all of that is possible. And if you misclick and you're getting lost and your layout is totally messed up, you can bring that back. Just go to Window, Workspace, but don't try to rearrange it by reselecting the Essentials because it's going to store the last layout. Instead, go down here to Reset Essentials. And now everything should be like it is by default. If it for some reason isn't, go to Edit, Preferences, Workspace. And here you will find a button for restoring the default workspaces. So this is going to restore all of the workspaces. Left click on it, you should get a confirmation message. We can also delete our layers down here with the trash icon. And now we have a plain white background and the Essentials layout back. And this is where we're going to start in the next tutorial.